Hi guys, I hope you're keeping well. In my last two videos, I talked about practicing gratitude as one of the ways to stay positive, particularly in these uncertain times. Another way to stay positive is by challenging your negative thoughts. You can watch my previous videos on this. I did 9 videos on how to challenge your negative thoughts. Performing acts of kindness also helps you to stay positive. Even in lockdown, you can perform random acts of kindness by volunteering. You can watch my video on how you can volunteer in your community, by helping your parents with the cooking, cleaning, dusting, tidying up, and looking after your younger siblings, if you have younger brothers and sisters. I've also done a video on how you can take on more responsibilities at home. Practicing mindfulness and meditation will also help you to stay positive. I've included links you can click on to learn how to practice meditation and mindfulness. There are so many other things you can do to stay positive in lockdown and beyond lockdown. You can listen to music that you enjoy, you can exercise, you can follow your passion and do more of the things that you love. Take care, stay safe, and never stop believing in how awesome you are.